Hi guys, I am Meat Fox Zero. Today I am going to be playing Animal Jam, not Play Wild, just Animal Jam, on my laptop. And of course, I already introduced myself, Meat Fox Zero. Please subscribe if you don't know me. I'm Meat Fox Zero. I have said that over and over again. And today on Animal, I'm doing fashion shows. And no, this is not my first time playing Animal Jam. I have been playing for a while now. Probably I don't know, for 2 years, one. But yeah, my character on Animal Jam is a penguin. And no, I am not a member, although I wish I could be one. I am not though. I'm actually non-member, which is sad. But yeah, this is my character right here. That's my pet. I have all kinds of other pets too. That's Hazy Dove, and then I have Fancy Eagle, Dewbird, Kooky Titan, Gold Turtle, and Mossy Ion. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be doing fashion shows, so let's type fashion. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna make sure my den is unlocked first. Okay, yeah, it's unlocked. It's right there. Oh shoot, I forgot to change my animal. I wanted my pet. Oh, there's people already. I wanted Hazy Dove. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, come on. My den. Fashion. Fashion show. Winner gets prize. I seriously don't know what I'm gonna give them, but I'm trying to get more people instead of just one, because they'll be sad having one. Oh, this person looks cool. The shop king is... Wait, the shop... I can't even read it, it's just combined, dude. Why is no one going? Oh my god, this is kind of sad. Oh, because there's barely anyone here. Hold on, I'm gonna tell this person to wait. What just happened? I don't know. By the way, guys, I'm a new jammer. I'm probably not gonna be doing fashion show since, you know, that was a bummer. I'm probably just gonna keep on playing tables and stuff because I'm kind of new. See, my den is really trash. How much do I have? Actually, I'm gonna be buying stuff right now. So let's buy some stuff for my den because I'm so poor. Oh my god, Peck, no one asked you to come to my den. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kill me now. Okay, so I'm gonna... Shh. Okay, I paused something. Shut her up. I'm getting that wallpaper. I guess I'll get a tree. What color? Well... Oh, that's weird. I think I'm gonna have... probably an autumn tree, because my birthday is around fall time, so that's pretty close, you know. What? Wait, what? Yep, just... Oh my god, it's not letting me click. Oh, yay. Thanks. Okay, but she's still annoying. So I'm probably gonna place my tree around here. Yeah. I'm gonna actually go to the store because, you know, I just want to. Now there's a lot of people. Wow, that's just messed up. Treated right now. Or just feel like I have bad luck. I don't know if I already said this, but penguins, they used to be member animals, but now they are not, which I'm so glad. Now they're for non-members, so you guys can go check that out if you play Animal Jam as well. Please comment down below if you want me to do a video, like, I don't know, like, you know, try to become a member so it can be more interesting. You know, just comment down below what you want me to record on Animal Jam for my next video. That'll be amazing. Ooh, they added new things. I wish I could be a member so I can get some cool stuff. Like, I really do. I want to become a member. I already have it. It's kind of trash, because, like, you know, it's non-member, but, no, try to get it. There's like nothing really good for members, like there's all trash stuff, but yeah, it's kind of sad right now for me, because I really bad want to become a member. I know I said this multiple times, but I do. If I get these shoes right here, I'll just make me look so poor. Yeah, they look terrible on Penguin. I thought you had. I'm gonna say someone trained me, I'm new. Someone trade meh. I'm new. You guys don't know it yet, but I'm a YouTuber. Me. What? Okay. Skip it. That's an interesting username. That's what. Oh my god. That girl technically copied me. I said, train me, I'm new, and she said, train me, I'm new. Oh my gosh, she's trying to steal my thunder. Please. Please accept. I need the... I forgot what I was trying to get. Your den is locked. She's probably a scammer. Trade, I got good stuff. Wait, who said that? Let's see. Okay, Wolf 111. Wolves. Okay, so this be person, I'm guessing. Wait, let's try to click on them. I don't know. I think it's this. This is very hard. Wait. Oh, I think it's this person. Oh my god, I just went over them. I'm so sorry I stepped on your foot. Okay, I found her. I love her plushies. I want... I actually want this rhino with a bow. That's actually pretty cute. Oh my god. I just wasted my time on that girl. Hey, how did they get that? Whoa. I want that robot thing. I want that. That looks so cool. But of course, they're not in stores. You know, I want this one. She's at sale, right? And stuff. I'm not giving her my shoes. I love my shoes. Hopefully she clicks accept. Because usually people are like, decline. Like, that's messed up. I'm new. Oh my god, I think she might decline. But I don't know because it's saying, yeah, I was right. I'm gonna say please, I'm new. Please, I'm new. No one's even trading me. I feel so poor right now. Ooh, Bunny 12. Interesting username. I swear, people have interesting usernames to me, like a lot. I feel so poor. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the Safari shop because like no one's trading me. They're like, no, you're new. I'm not gonna trade you. Oh my god. Oh my god. She clicked. Please, please, please. Yes, I got it, guys. I got some star hats, and it matches my fur coat. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so cute. Look at me. Do I have a pet that would match me? No, I don't. Daisy Dove is the best one that matches me, to be honest. Yes! Yes! That's so cute! This is my look, guys. I hope you love it. Comment down below if you guys love my look. Oh, someone went to my den. I'm already popular, you know. And I got this hat. Who's this girl? She has a long username. But, oh, she has a buddy list. Wow, she just ditched me. My friend ditched me. That's so messed up. I feel like crying right now. Even though my heart is breaking into a million pieces. This person looks. Oh my god, they have nerd glasses! It's Buddy now. Please, Buddy. Looking for an orange or white. I don't even know that word right there. Please. Okay, I'm gonna try to. Okay, this is what I'm gonna try to do. I'm not a scammer, I'm just new, okay, so I have really bad stuff. I already said this. I am new, by the way, so if you guys want to send me gifts, I really won't mind, and I would love it. Thank you guys if you would send me gifts on Animal Jam, on the computer, because on Animal Jam Play Wild, you can't you can't contact that one with Animal Jam, so. I'm gonna give her my favorite one, which is Hazy Dove. To be honest, Hazy Dove is my favorite one. Oh my. I waste my time on people sometimes, I swear. Okay, so. I'm pretty sure she's a girl. She's pretty. Like her nerd glasses. Her buddy list is full. Wow. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to the shop. I don't even know if I have any diamonds. I already did my daily spin today. Sorry if you guys didn't see that. Welcome to the diamond shop. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. See, let's look at my money. And yeah, I have 1 diamond. I know, it's sad. Laugh all you want. But you know what? I will be a member someday. I'm gonna try to. I'm not lying, kids. Okay, I just clicked on it and it's not working. Come on. Sorry if my computer is laggy, I can't tell because I'm recording. I seriously don't know. Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! I was not expecting that! Wow! Wow, that blew my mind. No, for real. My brain. It just... I'm not sure if I said brine at first. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Brain, kids. Brain. I wish these were non-members. So sad. Troll or treat me. Don't you just love whenever some people say that? It's like, oh, okay, I'll troll you. But I, like, never do that. That's kind of mean, you know? I only troll people if, like, they're super duper mean to me. Oh, I guess I'll give her my hat. Sad. Huh? Oh. If you want to trade me, meet me at my den. Oh my god, yes, I would love a trade. I'm not lying. Guys, in 2 more minutes, I have to wrap this video up. Because I have like a minute type of record thing on my computer, and I can only record for 15 minutes, I think. Hey, I think I've seen this girl before. I'm not lying. Well, let's buddy her just in case if I have to leave. I'm gonna try to buddy her I'm gonna try to trade her real fast, and then I'll end this video. So, yeah. She got some good things, you know, but I think I want her portal. Portal looks cool. She's just silly, you know, she might like some silly stuff. I'll give her a pet. I'll give her my ugly one. No offense. Oh, this one. I know, it's my purple one. It doesn't matter. Well, this one's kind of ugly. Wait, what did she say? Crap, I didn't see what she said. I'll look on the thing. Please accept. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Thanks for your, gift, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna put this in my den, and then I'm gonna see if I still have enough time. Oh my god, I'm trying to talk to my fans, okay? And I'll see enough time. I'll see if I have enough time, you know, to record more. I seriously don't know if I do. But yeah. Ooh, free dog. I love my ghost chair. Oh my god, I'm so excited now. I don't know where to place it though. What? Doesn't matter. it's going to be blocking the